The following video, we are going to be taking a look at turning a quote into a app plus some marketing ideas. Specifically, we're going to be taking a look at a NP hard computer science problem called the scheduling problem. And we're going to see if we can create an app that accurately reflects what the scheduling problem does when it comes to trying to fit things like exercise and meditation into people's schedule. So I think it's going to be pretty exciting. We also take a look at taking the code that we wrote and the features that we wrote and then turn that into marketing. So it can write your ads for you as well, I guess. The text companion for this video will be in the description below. So that's where you can find that, and see you around. Okay, so now we are going to talk about another analog technology that can be turned very easily into a digital app with using GPT. I think that as I've been kind of reading more and looking at the types of quotes that I usually highlight from books, they're usually something that I feel like I can implement in my daily life, right? A lot of these books kind of stop when you're done reading them, and people don't really take what they learn into their daily life. And it's pretty hard to take, healthy habits like exercise and meditation and actually turning them into a routine that you can follow without some kind of accountability partner. And as it turns out, GPT can write code that can make an amazing accountability partner because it'll fire on a cron job. So interestingly enough, I'm interested to see how we can take this, turn it into a more digitized format, and then say how make an argument for how our health impacts our business. So let's do that as this will be like the marketing lingo. So we're going to say write an app that schedules meditation and exercise while working around the user's important meetings, but also taking precedence over time that would be spent on social media. Again, we're going to write in method stubs and JS docs, right? Only in method stubs and JS docs. Yeah, let's just see where that goes. Okay, so we have the health scheduler. We're going to let it go. So it didn't put in a code block actually, which is kind of annoying, but that is what it is, right? That's a pretty easy fix for it to do. So what I'm going to do here is, thanks to Obsidian, I can just highlight this whole block of code, hit Command P, hit toggle code block or toggle code. That'll automatically put it in one backtick for some reason, but we can just very easily add the other two. And then we can go down here, and it also doesn't add the other two. And then we can delete one of these three, and then hopefully that will just do it. So it did not, because there's another three here somewhere. I don't know where they are. Oh, it's right here. I wish there was a way to just do toggle code block. There's probably a plugin, or I should probably just write one. But anyway, we can see here that it came up with a health scheduler, which is a class that schedules exercise and meditation around the user's meetings while taking precedence over time spent on social media. So it creates a new instance of this health scheduler with their calendar containing their schedule as a data structure, and then it schedules based on the availability and priority over social media usage. So it says that implements a scheduling algorithm to find available time slots while prioritizing. So let's actually have it do this. So let's say that what would this method look like? And then we have the schedule meditation, which is effectively the same thing. And then we're scheduling exercise for 30 minutes and scheduling a meditation for 15 minutes. So what would this algorithm look like? Write it out in pseudocode steps. Okay, let's see what it does. So now it's actually coming up with an algorithm that we could use and then implement that in JavaScript. So we wouldn't even really need to do this, right? Because in this example, right? Because JavaScript has a lot of boilerplate. It has a lot of Python and stuff like that, or excuse me, a lot of brackets and parentheses that eat up tokens. But for our purposes, we can see that it says get the user's calendar, sort by start time, loop through each event, see if they're busy or unavailable, calculate the duration of free time between this and the next event. If there's enough, schedule it for this slot, which is very similar to the knapsack problem if you ever studied computer science, and return true. If no suitable was found, then if there's enough free time for exercise, schedule it, yada, yada, yada. If there's no suitable slots, prioritize finding a slot that overlaps with social media usage. Schedule exercise first, and then this algorithm can be modified based on minimum duration or maximum times per week that exercises should be scheduled, yada, yada. What CS NP, I think hard problem is this algorithm similar to? I'm actually just going to say NP problem because I don't know if it's hard or complete or what. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, the scheduling problem. Yeah. The goal is to find the maximum number of non-overlapping intervals. Yeah, that's exactly what I would say. And this is something that you would actually see in a technical interview, is the scheduling problem or the knapsack problem, which are kind of similar, but basically it's like intervals versus weights without overlapping or going over. But with intervals, it's different because you have an amount of time per day where you're not trying to overlap things. And the knapsack, you're trying to fit as much weight in as possible. possible. So this looks pretty good. Now I wanted it to write the marketing for this app. So write marketing blurb for this app to get potential customers or potential users excited about it. Okay, here it goes. Damn, it's marketing, huh? Really do be marketing. Introducing Health Scheduler, a personal assistant for exercise and meditation around your busy work schedule. If you're struggling to find self-care for your hectic workday, or if you often forget to prioritize exercise due to back-to-back meetings or distractions, look no further than Health Scheduler, the ultimate solution for maintaining a healthy lifestyle while balancing professional commitments. Our algorithm analyzes your calendar, which is true, identifies available time slots, also true, and then utilizes which can be utilized for exercise or meditation without interfering with important meetings. Say goodbye to missed workouts or skipped mindfulness practices. Our app ensures that you stay on track. Don't let a busy schedule hold you back from achieving optimal health. Download Health Scheduler today and take control of your well-being. So in less than 10 minutes, we took a quote that said like, hey, you should schedule exercise and meditation around your calendar and follow a bedtime routine. And then we turned that into an app that actually solves a really interesting computer science problem, an NPR problem, or at least gives a algorithm solution to it. When we have a JS stub that we could pass directly into Visual Studio Code, and we have marketing for it as well. So if you wanted to market this app, and that just really goes to show you how fast GPT is at taking input, kind of kindling is the way that I kind of see it, where you pass it some seed of knowledge and then you use that to expand it or transform it into a completely different modality. So thank you for watching and have a good day.